Today in this video, guys, I'll be showing you a very popular Vietnamese dish called Bánh Mì Chảo. Now, the main ingredient for Bánh Mì Chảo is bread, some veggies, sausages, potatoes, eggs, all mixed together. And you just dip the bread into that combination. So myself and my friend will be trying Bánh Mì Chảo for the first time. Guys, join us and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are trying Bánh Mì Chảo. We're trying Bánh Mì Chảo, and Bánh Mì Chảo is just made of bread and eggs. You have some eggs, and you also have sausages and meat and potatoes and some veggies. So I'm going to try and see how Bánh Mì Chảo in Vietnam goes. So how is it eating?
Anyway, it's up to you.
Let's first try the bread and see.
If you want to get up all the soup, you can just, you know.
So you're going to eat the bread with this, right? The bread with this.
I think this is one of the best restaurants if you want.
Man, it tastes good. I love this.
For just 50,000.
That's a full lunch.
Everything. I think compared, because you know I eat out a lot, compared to other places that I eat outside, I think if you want value for your money, this is the best place. Like, you have a clean kitchen, good looking food, you know, and food that if you eat now, man, like even you can not eat dinner with this. Like, yeah, it's enough. And it's enough for that day.
It tastes so good.
Man, this is the best. You know, before I used to eat rice chicken, but since ever I got this, man, like I even stopped going that place. I stopped going to that place. I think this is the best place because there I would spend, rice goes for 35, and when you go and buy chicken, that's another 35. That's 70,000. You know, and this one you get it at 50, and you get a variety of everything.
There's egg, there's little potatoes, there's some beef, there is some veggies on top.
Yeah, so you get everything. It's nice, it's nice.
But this is like the bread is hard, or that's the nature. They decided to make it crack, sort of.
You know, what happens is, when they buy the bread, the number of times I've come here, you find the bread is cold, you know? And they want to give you something warm, so they have to heat it up, you know? And that's what makes it hard. But if you just bought it out of the market, it's not this hard. You just bought it outside.
But I mean, in general, I think it's good. It's good.
Yes, I mean,
adding this to the.
yeah,
So, what is the Bánh Mì Chảo? This is the Bánh Mì Chảo or two of
the
them?
whole
The
dish,
Bánh Mì Chảo.
the whole dish.
It's good actually.
And good thing these guys do deliveries. And you know, one thing that I've come to notice in Vietnam, these people they are so good, I can say. Because when I was living in China, even if the restaurant is few meters from your place, you need to pay for delivery fees. Like they will charge you for delivery. But here, these restaurants, if they want to charge you, either if you live in, that maybe a kilometer or 2 kilometers away, that's when they will start charging you.
Okay.
But if you live within the area, it's free of charge. They just bring the food to you at home.
And you don't think that because here bike is very popular, like everybody uses a bike, and so everybody used to.
Even in China, there are more bikes than here.
Oh.
And in China, it's electric. Everyone has an electric bike. So
They don't even have to pay for fuel.
yeah, they know it's just charging their bike, and but you still have to pay. But here, these guys are using the fuel to bring to you. But if you want a business to grow, yeah, you need to feel like you understand your customer. Like that simple action of just bringing food without asking for delivery fee. You find yourself, you want to eat in this restaurant. There are so many restaurants around here, right? But this one gives you for free, and everyone likes, free delivery, not free food. Yeah. So, and everyone likes free stuff. So you're like, man, I'll eat here. It's a good place.
Bánh Mì Chảo tastes so good, man. And let me check the potatoes.
Yeah, and another thing, French fries here. I've never seen a place that offers you, back in my country.
The price is so good.
French fries are something that you buy on its own. Yeah, but here you cannot find that. Yeah, they have to mix with something else.
I'm just loving this food. It tastes absolutely great. Like, so guys, I'm done. I'm at the end of my meal. I told you I was finishing everything, and yes, I finished everything. So this is Bánh Mì Chảo. Anytime you're in Hanoi, don't forget to try this. It's a great meal. And Lucius, what? What do you make of the food? I think it's great.
Good. I always eat here, so I know it's good.
Oh my god, I love this. Bánh Mì Chảo. So guys, it's a bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and then hit that notification bell. And for more videos. Bye.